These are the elevators at the Caribe Resort in Daytona Beach, Florida. On 7. Must have just modded these recently. Oh, new. Oh, this is cheap. Go to 1. Fixtures are original from the looks of it. They probably just updated the controller. They're hydros. GAL JetPlus fixtures. Yeah, they're definitely older, so they probably modded these but just kept the fixtures original but replaced the controller and everything and the call stations. On 7. New interlock. Actually, yeah, that's GAL interlock. Let's get a little look around up here. Slow doors. Let's look around. Pretty nice looking hotel. It's just stairs. Yeah, let's look around. Pretty nice looking. Stairs here. Housekeeping. All right, let's go down. But yeah, pretty basic cabs. Yeah, I'd say these are, you know, the buttons and the inside's original, but they replaced the call buttons and the controller. This one still's the original lights inside it. On one, watch one go out. And we'll get off here. And there it goes. There's the motor, you can hear it running. Anyways, there it goes, and that's gonna be it.